Wow. I don't even care if I get copyrighted for this video anymore, but this is crazy. This is just, wow. Look at this guy. Oh my God, Kings Park Fire Department. Wow. This is just crazy. Oh, there he goes. I don't know where he's going to park. This guy's the OG fighter. Oh, he's gonna park in the handicap spot. All right. No power steering, he says. Yeah, this thing must be a nightmare to drive.